video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am the CEO and the creator of the GLITZGLAMBOX. I started it with my sister, and yeah, we curate every single box, we hand pack every single box. Yeah, GLITZGLAM is life. Okay, if you're new, welcome to the GLITZGLAM fam. If you're old, welcome back. I know I was MIA last month, but like I said, well, I cut it out, but there was a lot going on last month. Okay, so let's get into the January box. Happy New Year, everyone. This is a late night unboxing. I'm so tired. I've been packing boxes all week, but all the boxes for January are packed, and they're all shipping out, so you guys should be getting your boxes soon. So I did want to do an unboxing because I know I didn't do an unboxing last month. I mean, I can't really even explain all the stuff that happened last month, but trust and believe, it was crazy. It was just, it was crazy. All right. So, guys, let's get into it. Let's get into the January GLITZGLAMBOX unboxing. So, elephant in the room. The brushes didn't fit in the box. So, yeah, we have jumbo pouches that we're shipping out, and they're hot pink, and they're kind of fabulous. So yeah, so the brushes didn't fit. So I'm wearing the lashes that are included, but I'm gonna insert a picture of them. So these are the lashes that are included this month. They're wispies, and they actually come with a little glue, which I, for the life of me, cannot find right now. So yeah, I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. So these are the lashes, and it comes with a little lash glue. So, oh my god, I'm supposed to be saying the theme. the theme. I'm hungry. So, like, okay, the thing is, when I have to film after work, because I still work, you know, full time. So when I have to film after work, I deprive myself of food. And I'm like, you have to film before you can eat. You don't deserve food. Like, you don't deserve food, Chanelle. You need to film, and then you can get dinner. So I was like, oh, I want to do my lashes. Then I was like, oh, I want to do my nails. Then I was like, oh, let me curl my hair a little bit. And then it's like mad late, and I'm so tired. But anyway. Okay, so the theme of January is glam essentials. So what we wanted to bring you guys were basically all the items that you need to create a full glam look. So we do listen to the feedback from you guys, and a lot of people gave feedback that, oh, they want glitter glue, oh, they want lash glue. So I was like, oh, you know, that would be a good item to put in the box. So yeah, so this month we're starting off January with a bang, like coming out swinging. So in case anyone tries to get cute, just swing on them with your glam essentials. So basically it is a full brush set, lashes with glue, glitter with glue, and then a lip gloss just because. Just because it's cute. So we can go over everything that's in the box. These are the lashes, and it comes with a little glue that you can use like multiple times. So also, you did have the option to add double the lashes, and you actually would have got double the glue. A lot of people did add on an extra lash. So if you added the extra lash, then you would get your regular lash that came in the box, and then another one, and it actually comes with another glue. So that was a good deal, but you had to order it before your box ships, because okay, shipping ain't free. Shipping is not free, and it just went up for 2020. Okay. And yeah, let's get into the rest of the products. So the next thing we included were these cute little glitter kits. It comes in this box. I'm going to actually take it out to show you guys. Well, actually, this one I ripped. To show you guys. So the white brush set, I put, I believe, white glitter, silver glitter, and maybe a rose gold glitter. Should be, unless I mix up the pouches. So that was kind of like the more neutral kind of theme, and then now I don't have the glitter that I put in the ultraviolet because that was our most popular request, was for ultraviolet, which is the fuchsia and purple. So all that glitter is long gone, mailed to you guys. So this is the silver. And you can see it's just super metallic-y and super silvery. And it also comes with a glitter glue. So what you want to do is put just the tiniest bit of glitter glue, and you want to kind of spread it out evenly, and then you can just tap the glitter on, which I would do if it wasn't super duper late. But yeah, you guys can look through my videos. I've done loose glitter. Like, loose glitter is life. Loose glitter is my thing. I literally did loose glitter in every single video. All of 2017, I think all of 2018, and probably most of 2019. So if you look through my tutorials, yeah, you'll see how to use loose glitter. So you can put it wherever you like. I usually put mine on my eyelid. I put it all over my lid. Some people only put it in the center of their lid, or you can put it on your nails, like whatever you want to do with it. It's super versatile, and now you have a glitter glue, so you guys can stop sending me hate emails. I want a glitter glue in my box. I'm like, you can buy it on the site. I'm sorry guys, I don't have enough glitter glue to put in every single box. But anyway, we did a big order, so now we have enough glitter glue, and we gave it out in the January box. Okay, so yes, so no hate emails. Okay. Okay, so also you got the lash glue with the lashes. Next thing we included was just kind of like, why not? Were these lip glosses. So there are obviously a bunch of different variations. So this is one of the nude ones. It's called Dawn. These are from Nika K, and they're really opaque. And I really like them. A lot of them are really glittery. This one's called Cherry. It actually tastes like cherry. And then this one is Bubblegum, which, I mean, y'all, come on, you know. It's named Bubblegum. I need it. Like, oh, am I blurry? Hold on. Can we focus? Can we focus? I think we're focused. I think we were blurry before. Okay, so bubblegum, like, come on. You know I need bubblegum. And then this one is called Glory. It's like super goldy. And then we have like a very fuchsia, bright fuchsia, called Red Berry. There were a couple other variations, but like I said, a lot of them got sent out to you guys in the ultraviolet variation, because that was the most popular, and I had to start packing those. Like, you know, that took a while. And I was like, it's so funny because we met the brand that we got the brushes from, La Beauté Soy, at the Indie Beauty Expo in LA last year. We're actually going again this year. It's actually in January. So I was like, saw this like brush set, and I was just like, and that was when we had only done 1 month so far, so we still needed like vendors. I mean, we were just like kind of just starting out, so yeah, we needed like a lot of vendors. So I was like, oh, let's go to the expo. So we go to the expo, we fly to LA. And I was there with my sister, and I saw like this brush set, and they were like doing this and taking the Instagram pictures, and I think I saw a video of them like doing this, and I was just like, yes, I need that. What brand is that? I need that for the GLITZGLAMBOX. I need that for the GLITZGLAMBOX. Like, I need it. So I sprinted, mind you, I'm like not skinny. I sprint across the room when I saw them. I was like, I need this brush set, blah, 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 blah. Like, I have this beauty box, blah, 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 blah. And they were like, $27. And I was like, my box doesn't even cost that much. So anyway, we were able to work out a deal. They did cost an arm and a leg, so, you know, we're pretty much bankrupt. But I just had to have these. I had to have these for the box. So this is the ultraviolet variation. And I wanted to get all ultraviolet for everyone, but my sister liked the Snow White. And I was like, why do you want white brushes? And she was like, well, it's winter. And I'm like, well, what does winter have to do with like having a white brush set? Like, this is fabulous. Like, what's wrong with you? So anyway, fight ensues. So fight at GLITZGLAMBOX headquarters ensues, and we ended up getting both. So we decided to offer double the glam for you guys. If you would like, you can order double the glam and then you get both sets. But actually, we did get a couple of Snow White requests. So I was like, oh, okay. I guess you have a point, to my sister. But I was like, no, 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 no. Now, the list for the ultraviolet is a mile long, okay? Because I was like, the GLITZGLAM fam, they're going to love this. Okay, no, 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 no. They're going to love this. Like, we don't need both variations. We don't need both. My sister's like, I like the Snow White. And I'm like, whatever. So... compromise, guys. So it's a 10-piece brush set, and then like, come on, you know, I can't even stop playing with this, like, and it's very compact. You can just like move the sequins and get your life, like me. And then here inside you can see the brushes come, and they're like, they have the protectors on them. So I'll probably insert a picture here. I'm not going to take all these out because that's just going to take a while, but they're super soft, super fluffy. They are cruelty free. Let's see what the box says. They are cruelty free, vegan, and hypoallergenic. They're made in LA. So yeah, awesome. And this is from La Beauté Soy. So, me and the CEO, we had a meeting of the minds on email, and I was able to bring these to you guys. So I was just like so excited, and it was just like, I thought it was so, I don't want to sound corny, but like almost poetic that we had met them at the January Indie Beauty Expo last year, and now it's January this year, 2020, and we have the item that I sprinted across the expo to get. I was like literally running. I was like, no, 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 where are these purple brushes? I saw some purple brushes. I like saw purple and sequin and fuchsia. Where is it? Like, and the CEO's like, here's my card, email me. And I'm like, okay, where are the fuchsia brushes? Like, it was so fun. My sister's just there, like, this is my sister who lives in Cali. She was just like, I was just like, sorry, I was so hype over the sequins, and the sequins and the pink and the fuchsia just got me. It just got me. Like, the sequins gave me life. So this is a Snow White brush set. Oops. Ripped it. This is the Snow White set. It's 10 pieces as well. Also cruelty-free, vegan, hypoallergenic, and it is white. I guess that is kind of cute for winter, like a white brush set in the winter wonderland. But at first I was like, why do you want Snow White? The GLITZGLAM fam, they want ultraviolet. I already know. I know all the subscribers. I know a lot of them, and they're gonna want the ultraviolet. And my sister's like, well, I like Snow White. And I'm like, oh my god. So it says La Beauté Soy here. Is so, like, these are nice. When I tell y'all, these are not cheap brush sets, because I saw some other boxes putting brush sets in there, and I'm not gonna shout them out and say how much they cost, because like I know how much all this stuff costs. Not even how much it costs, because like it could be an inexpensive item if it's good quality. It's like, hey, you know, but like those brush sets are not as nice as these, and let me just tell you, because I know. Okay, so these are super soft, and yeah, they come in the protective case to protect the bristles and then to protect the brush, and they're fabulous, and they're perfect to travel with. Okay, guys, let me know, am I the only one who loses brushes, like the little ones? Like, I'll have the roll and everything, and it'll be so nice, and then I'll be missing like 3 brushes, and I'm like, girl, where are these brushes at? You need to put them back in here. This is really cute. So, so anyway, if you got double the glam, you are getting this set, and you're going to be fabulous, and you're going to be set for the whole entire year. Like, come on, guys, replace your brushes. So, so yeah. So this is the ultraviolet, obviously, and this is the Snow White. And actually, they are really cute. Like, these are really cute. The Snow Whites are cute. I'll give them that. I mean, they have the pink stitches, so I'm like, okay. Okay, the Glitz Glam fam might like this. So we did give people the option to customize and choose their brush set if they would like. Also, you did have the option of double the glam. So guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know which variation you got, which variation you hope for. And also in 2020, we are going to be offering double the glam every single month, double the lashes every single month. We tested it out for a quarter in 2019 and it was super popular. People seem to like the option to add on the second variation, which would be the double the glam. So if you want to do that, you want to just go over to GLITZGLAMBOX.com. We put a tab up there in the shop section and it says double the glam, and you would add that into your cart. You do have to order double the glam before your box ships because it's free shipping and the item is discounted. So in order to get those savings, you need to go ahead and order it before your box ships. So so yeah, if we have any extras of anything, we always put it in our shop section on our site, so you can always add it into your next box. But yeah, to get it that month, you want to check like at the end of the month, beginning of the month, and see what is the double the glam option, because we've been putting them up usually like the last week of the month before. So like we will have the February double the glam option up at the end of January. So you want to take a look, make sure you add it in. I try to send out a newsletter just to let people know, hey, this is the double the glam. Hey, you know, if you want to subscribe, you want to subscribe now before we sell out, because you know when we sell out, people want to be like, you're sold out. I'm like, no, you had all month long to subscribe, okay? No, matter of fact, you had all year long to subscribe, and now you want to get mad at me and me. So anyway, these are just my theatrics. So so yeah, so we're having double the glam every month in 2020. Guys, leave a comment down below. How are your holidays? And Happy New Year, everyone. I'll see you in my next unboxing, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you to all our subscribers. Happy holidays to all our subscribers. All of our customers, everyone who just watches a video, who's a fan, thank you so much. Sorry I'm a little rusty with filming. I haven't been filming for a while. Why I put on lashes and no eyeshadow, I don't know. Why I put on lashes and hardly any makeup, I don't know. It's late. It's late and I'm tired, and it's I think this video is done. I should cut it off before I start acting a fool, more so than I already have. Oh, never mind. I'll film another video to let you guys know. Until the next video. Bye.